Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at this Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator. We will show you how to remove and replace your temp control thermostat. Now, let's begin your repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you need for this repair is a 1/4-inch nut driver and a tack puller. To access any components inside the refrigerator section, we will have to remove your console portion right here. Now to do so, first we'll start pulling out on the thermostat wire. Be very careful when doing so. This plastic can break rather easily. We will pull out on the side to release it. Next, we have one 1/4-inch screw that is holding on the console. Undo this. Pull down on your console. Remove your wiring harness. Use a flat blade screwdriver to lift up on the locking tab. Pull down and set your console aside. Now that we have the console removed and placed on a protected surface, we have clear access to the thermostat assembly. Now, there's a couple of tests you can do with it plugged in to check to see if you have a bad thermostat. The first thing you can do is check to make sure you have power going to the thermostat. I typically use a non-contact voltage detector. See if I have power. Now, if the compressor and the fans are not working, but you have power coming in, chances are you have a bad thermostat. You can use your knuckles and hit underneath. It should lodge the thermostat into the correct position and allow it to work. You can also put a wire between the two wires here and see if everything turns on. That will indicate that your thermostat is not sending power down to the compressor. Now, to remove your thermostat, first you can use a small Phillips screwdriver or a tack puller to pull out on your knob. Next, we will start to pull up on the thermostat. Use a screwdriver again to remove your terminals gently. This terminal is a locking terminal. You will need to pinch and pull off. Next, pop off on the thermostat bulb and set it aside. To install your new thermostat, first we will reconnect the wiring. Reconnect the ground strap and slide it into place. Now the only thing holding this in place is your knob, so you will want to reinstall your knob after this. It can only go in one way. Next, guide down the thermostat bulb, clip it into place. Now we can reinstall the console. When reinstalling your console, first we will line up this slotted area on the top. Start to push in. Reattach your wiring harness. By hand, push your 1/4-inch screw in and start to reattach it, followed by tightening it up. On the back thermostat portion, slide in the side clip first. You will have to apply pressure here as these tabs are extremely stiff. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.